Jai Hind, Namaskar. Welcome to the grand opening ceremony of 133rd edition of Indian Oil Duran Cup 2024. Orchestrated with precision by the Indian Armed Forces and supported by Bodoland Territorial Council and the Government of Assam. It is with pride that Duran Cup 2024 is being held for the second successive year here in the City of Peace, Kokrajhar.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is with immense honor and privilege that we have amongst us esteemed Mr. P.U. Langhen Lova Mar, Honorable Minister of Labour, Employment, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Development, Sports and Youth Services Department and Excise and Narcotics Department, Government of Mizoram. Sir is the Chairman, League Committee, All India Football Federation. Ladies and gentlemen, we would request Shri Pramod Boro, Chief Executive Member, Bodoland Territorial Council, to kindly felicitate and honor our Chief Guest, Mr. P.U. Langhen Lova Mar, Chairman, League Committee, All India Football Federation.
Yes, please.
I would also request Shri Pramod Boro to kindly felicitate Lieutenant General R.C. Tiwari, Uttam Youth Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Sena Medal, General Officer Commanding in Chief, Eastern Command.
I would now request the General Officer to kindly felicitate Shri Pramod Boro. I would also request Shri Pramod Boro to kindly felicitate Dr. Lotte Shering, former Prime Minister of Bhutan. I would also request Shri Pramod Boro to kindly felicitate Air Marshal S.P. Dharkar, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Air Officer Commanding in Chief, Eastern Air Command.
I would also request Air Marshal to kindly felicitate Shri Pramod Boro, Chief, Bodoland Territorial Council.
As we continue our celebration, let's turn our attention to the remarkable football talent from Bodoland. This region has produced some exceptional players who have made significant contributions to Indian football. Their dedication and skill on the field have not only brought pride to their communities, but also showcased the rich sporting talent of Bodoland. Among these stars, players like Durga Boro and Holicharan Nazare stand out for their outstanding performances and contributions to the sport. Their achievements on the field are a testament to the thriving football culture in Bodoland and the region's commitment to nurturing athletic talent. Ladies and gentlemen, please turn your attention to the north direction, where the brass band of 13 Grenadier and number 7 Air Force band of 19 Air Force Wing Borjar, led by Naib Subedar Sama, marches on the stirring beats of Kadam Kadam Badai Ja. This anthem holds a profound significance in India, having been sung by all the soldiers of Azad Hind Fauj, which is a part of our military heritage. Give a huge round of applause for 13 Grenadiers Brass Band and number 7 Air Force Band, everyone. Now, as they come across the second time, they will be marching on the beats of the song Sare Jahan Se Acha. Ladies and gentlemen, Please, Shri Pramod Boro, Chief Executive Member, Bodoland Territorial Council. I would request sir to kindly give the opening address.
Khulumbai, Namaskar. Today, once again, I welcome all of you in the city of peace, Kokrajhar, at the 133rd Durand Cup football tournament and second event in Bodoland. First of all, I thank Indian Army for giving this opportunity to the people of Bodoland to host this 133rd most prestigious football tournament of India as well as Asia to host in Kokrajhar. Today we have our guest, His Excellency Dosa Dr. Lothe Tshering, Bhutan के माननीय पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री, Honorable former Prime Minister of Bhutan. Our chief guest we have today Linghing Loba Marji, जो मिजोरम के खेल मंत्री है और ऑल इंडिया फुटबॉल फेडरेशन लीग कमेटी के अध्यक्ष है. We have Lieutenant General R.C. Tiwari जी, Air Marshal S.P. Dharkar जी, GOC 4 crore Manish Seri ji, and also we have our Eastern Command Indian Army Lieutenant General R.C. Srinath ji. We have our Speaker of Bodoland Territorial Council Katiram Boro ji, and our most Honorable Professor Shurot Narzari, Honorable President of Bodo Sahitya Sabha is here with us. And also dignitaries, invited guests, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, my colleagues, EM, MCLA, MLS of Bodoland Territorial Council and Assam Assembly, our leaders of this 133rd event of Durand Cup in Kokrajhar, media friends, and people coming from different parts of the state and also Bodoland. I welcome all of you today in this prestigious tournament of Durand Cup in Kokrajhar. हम लोग बहुत खुश है कि फिर से दूसरी बार हम लोगों को यहाँ कोकराझार में जो फुटबॉल को प्रेमिक बहुत है, फुटबॉल खेल सदियों से यहाँ खेला गया है, ट्रेडिशनली हमारे लोग फुटबॉल खेले हैं और ये सारे जो परिस्थिति है, लोगों का उत्साह है, उमंग है, प्यार है, इसको देख के इंडियन आर्मी ने फिर से हमारे यहाँ डुरंड कप की होस्ट करने का मौका दिया है. लास्ट ईयर इंडियन आर्मी के अप्रोच को लेके हमारे मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर हिमंत बिश्व शर्मा जी ने मुझे बोला था कि कोकराझार में बहुत फुटबॉल प्रेमी है, कोकराझार में होस्ट करना चाहिए. तो लास्ट ईयर हम लोग ने विद इन 45 डेज ये छोटा सा एक स्टेडियम बना के यहाँ फुटबॉल की टूर्नामेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किए थे, लेकिन क्लाइमेट की वजह से, बारिश के वजह से हमारे यहाँ 2 मैच हो नहीं पाया था. तो हमारे लोगों के मन में बहुत दुख थे कि हमने जो इतना अच्छा एक प्रेस्टिजियस टूर्नामेंट है ये देखने को मौका नहीं मिला. तो इसीलिए इस साल में फिर हम लोग ने कोशिश किया कि ये स्टेडियम को डेवलप किया जाए और हम इसी साल में ये एक फीफा अप्रूव सैंड बेस यहाँ स्प्रिंकल लगाए हुए एक डेवलप फुटबॉल स्टेडियम का निर्माण किया. ये अवसर आप सब लोग ने दिया है, बीटीसी के जनता ने हम लोग को दिया है. मैं सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ. आज हमारे बीच में भूटान के पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री जी है, ये हमारे बीच में आया है. हम लोग बहुत खुश है. मैं सर को मैं स्वागत करता हूँ क्योंकि भूटान हमारे बहुत अच्छे जो नाइबर है और हमारे कंट्री के बहुत अच्छे एक रिश्ते हम लोग सदियों से हमारे जुड़े हुए हैं और दुनिया के सबसे पीसफुल जो कंट्री है ये भूटान है और इंडिया भूटान का जो बॉर्डर है दुनिया के सबसे पीसफुल बॉर्डर है। तो आज मैं भूटान के फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी को स्वागत करता हूं और हमारे बीच में एक ऐसे शक्तिशाली चीफ गेस्ट है जो मिजोरम के खेल मंत्री है, लेकिन काफ़ी सालों से खेल को बढ़ावा देने लेके खेल को आगे ले जाने के लिए उनने कहा बहुत काम किया है और वो भी हमारे बीच में आज है। मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहूँगा। बोडोलैंड ये पीसफुल हो गया है प्रधानमंत्री जी के आशीर्वाद से, गृह मंत्री जी के जो एक लंबी एक सोच है उसने बहुत कठिन कदम उठाए हैं बोडोलैंड में शांति लाने के लिए। और बोडोलैंड के जो जनता है बोडो से लेकर हर एक जनता हर एक समुदाय एकजुट होकर बोडोलैंड में शांति लाया है। एक समय था आर्मी यहाँ शांति लाने के लिए ऑपरेशन करने के लिए आए थे, लेकिन आज इंडियन आर्मी हमारे नौजवानों के साथ फुटबॉल टूर्नामेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करने आया है। हमारे नौजवानों को एनकरेज करने आया है कि खेल के मैदान में सब लोग उतरना चाहिए, खेलना चाहिए, अपने लिए देश के लिए खेलना चाहिए और समाज को आगे ले जाना चाहिए। मैं इंडियन आर्मी को फिर से धन्यवाद देता हूं। बीटीआर की जो हमारे खेल विभाग है, हमारे EM दाऊबैसा जी है, हम लोग मिलके बीटीआर में फुटबॉल और अलग अलग जो खेल है इसको आगे ले जाने के लिए बहुत कोशिश किए गए हैं। मैं उम्मीद रखता हूं आने वाले समय में हम एकजुट होके बोडोलैंड को एक स्पोर्ट्स हब हम लोग बना पाएंगे और कोकराझार को हम एक स्पोर्ट्स हब हम लोग बना पाएंगे। मैं दोनों टीम जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट FC है और हमारा बोडोलैंड FC आज खेलेंगे, दोनों टीम को बधाई देता हूं। एक अच्छा माहौल हम लोग को मिलेगा, सुंदरता से डिसिप्लिन से हम लोगों को एक खेल देखने को मिलेगा। मैं सबको स्वागत करके खास करके जनता को जो इतना धूप में इतना हमारा जो मौसम इतना गर्म है फिर भी आप लोग आके हम लोग को जो एनकरेज किया है, सपोर्ट दिया है, मैं सबको धन्यवाद देके बड'फा उपेन्द्रनाथ ब्रह्म जी को धन्यवाद देके मैं समाप्त करना चाहता हूँ। बयनिसिमबो आं साबायखर बावदों, जोबोद गुदुङावबो नोंथांमोना फैनानै बाहागो लाफैदों आरो दिनै एशियानि सबसे गोजाम जि फुटबल खेला फुटबल गेलेनाय बियो नैथि खेबनि थाखाय क'क्राझाराव दिनै खुंजादों। मुलुगनि 16 हादोराव बे खेलाखौ नायगोन आरो क'क्राझारखौ बड'लेण्डखौ मुलुगनि मानसिफ्रा बे डुरान्ड कापनि गेजेरजोंनो नायनो मोनगोन। दा नंखायनो बे खाबुखौ होनायनि थाखाय आं बे गुबैयै इन्डियान आर्मिखौ साबायखर बावदों। মই ইন্ডিয়ান আর্মিক ধন্যবাদ জনাইছো আগতে আৰু লগতে কোকৰাঝাৰৰ বডোলেণ্ডৰ সকলো ৰাইজক ধন্যবাদ জনাইছো। বহুত গৰম বতৰতো আপোনালোকে আহি আমাৰ যি সেকেন্ড ডুৰান্ড কাপ কোকৰাঝাৰত হৈছে যি শান্তিৰ নগৰীত আপোনালোকে সহযোগ কৰিছে আৰু এনেকা একত্ৰিত হৈ আগবাঢ়ি গ'লে অকল খেলৰ জগতত নহয় আমি শিক্ষা দীক্ষা সামাজিক পৰিৱৰ্তন সকলো দিশতে আগবাঢ়ি যাব পাৰিম। মই আপোনালোকক বহুত ধন্যবাদ জনাইছো আৰু আহি থকা খেলবিলাকো আপোনালোকে আহি আমাক উৎসাহিত কৰিব আৰু খেল জগতখন আগুৱাই নিয়াত আপোনালোকে সবে অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰিব হেতুকে আশা কৰি মই সকলোকে ধন্যবাদ জনাইছো। ধন্যবাদ, বৈকব সাবাইখৰ বাউবাই। জয় হিন্দ।
Thank you so much, sir, for such encouraging words.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to welcome our chief guest, Mr. P.U. Langheng Lova Humar, to kindly enlighten us with his words of wisdom on the occasion of 133rd Indian Oil Durand Cup 2024. We request, sir, to kindly address the audience.
Sri Pramod Borong, Air Marshal SP Dhaka, Lieutenant General R.C. Tiwari, Lieutenant General Mani Seri, His Excellency Mr. Lothai Shering, dignitaries present here, and the people of Bodoland. I thank you to have me as a chief guest in this 133rd edition of Durand Cup. I am overwhelmed with the kind of support the Bodoland people are giving for the promotion of this beautiful football. Not only that, the kind of helping hands they are getting from Indian Army is immense. I came here not as a politician, not as a sport administrator, but I came here as a sport lover, particularly as a football fan. Growing up, I was a football fan. Becoming a football administrator accidentally, reluctantly becoming a politician, and now, as I declare myself a football fan for life, I am here witnessing a beautiful football setup to be played in the hot summer afternoon of this beautiful city of Kokrajhar. This is the power of sports, this is the power of football, which brings together all these people in this warm summer afternoon. I was talking with a general who is sitting with me that this place was filled with bloodshed. We heard gunfires, we heard bombs. Those were the days. But in the very city which was disturbed by insurgencies for many years, we are going to witness a beautiful football under the peaceful atmosphere organized by none other than the Indian Army, which is something to be proud of. I thank the Indian Army for organizing this beautiful football in the Kokrajhar city. And I would like to say that this is a reward for peace. Having come from a state of Mizoram, which is a very small state in terms of population and in terms of area as well, 11 lakhs population, but producing as many as 40 plus players consistently in the ISL and I-League. In the recently concluded FIFA World Cup qualifiers, out of the 22-member squad, 4 of them are from the tiny state of Mizoram. So if Mizoram can produce a talent which is good enough to play at the national level, I'm sure that Bodoland will be able to produce such talents in the future. And I can say with confidence, with the likes of stars which you have in the form of Mr. Nazari and the other top players in the ISLs coming from this Bodoland, I'm sure that there are many youngsters who are willing to follow their footpath and who has the potential to play at the top level of Indian football. If Mizoram is of any help to Bodoland and for Assam football, we are there to support you. I would like to conclude by saying again a big thank you to Bodoland Territorial Council, Assam Football Association, the government of Assam, and of course Indian Army for having me here as a chief guest. I wish all the participating team a big success, and especially the clubs who are playing here in this Kokrajhar version of the Durand Cup to come out with the flying colors in the final to be played elsewhere. I wish the team, especially from this region, the very best in the tournament to come. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for such motivational speech.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are delighted to present a special fusion of dance forms celebrating the vibrant traditions of diverse communities. This performance seamlessly blends the rich art forms of Dausri Delai Bihu, showcasing their distinct yet harmonious essence. This fusion dance epitomizes the unity in diversity that defines our cultural landscape, where each community contributes its unique flavor to our nation's cultural tapestry. Let us welcome the cultural troupe of Bodoland. Dausri Delai means lovebirds, and Delai refers to the dress that they wear, a traditional dance form from Bodo in Assam. It features women dancing like birds and professing their love. Thank you. models you see flying by are from the team based in Indore. Their slick designs and precise control create a truly spectacular display. Each maneuver showcases their exceptional skill and dedication, transforming the sky into a canvas of aerodynamic artistry. Prepare to be amazed by their impressive aerial choreography.
Accompanying this pose, we have a team of paramotors. Directing your attention as the paramotors showcase their skills from Parachute Regiment Center, Bangalore, led by Havaldar Sombir. As paramotors are used in operation tasks, it also has its significance in sports. बिहू नृत्य की मिठास है, असम का दिल, धरोहर और धड़कन है. थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल आवर लवली आर्टिस्ट. इंडियन आर्मी जंग के मैदान में तो श्रेष्ठ और कौशल है ही, बल्कि भारतीय सेना के जवान सब श्रेणियों में निपुण हैं. The Indian Army draws its strength from every corner of the nation, embodying unity in diversity. To celebrate this, we embark on a cultural journey with our soldiers, showcasing glimpses of India's diverse heritage. First, let us welcome the team of 21 Bihar performing Purulia Chau dance. This amazing dance form is performed during the Sun Festival and has extensive usage of masks shaped in the form of specific characters being played. So let us welcome 21 Bihar.
देर के लिए ड्रोन चलाना बंद करें। कृपया कुछ देर के लिए ड्रोन चलाना बंद करें, कुछ ही देर में फ्लाई पास्ट होगा। जो भी ड्रोन ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं उनसे कृपया निवेदन कर रही हूँ कि वो थोड़ी देर बंद करें ड्रोन चलाना। What an exhilarating performance by 21 Bihar. A huge round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to experience the infectious energy of Bhangra dance by 11 Siklai and 29 Punjab. Hailing from the vibrant Punjab, Bhangra is a celebration of life, love and the rich cultural heritage of the land. We welcome the team from 11 Siklai and 29 Punjab.
Drop, drop, drop.
An energetic performance by 11 Siklai and 29 Punjab. Boi bari khipse jang akai khopnane hagan bitangmani thagai.
Next we have Kalaripattu fighters performing on the beats of Chenda drums by 4, 9 and 25 Madras and by Miss Priyasi, often hailed as the mother of all martial arts, originating from Kerala.
जोरदार तालियों से अभिनंदन करते हैं इस अद्भुत पेशकश के लिए मद्रास रेजिमेंट और मिस बियासी की ओर से। Ladies and gentlemen, up next, we have a very talented singer, Miss Geeta Shri, also known as the Bodoland Shakira. And now, as promised earlier, she will be performing Waka Waka song for all of you. Let's welcome Miss Geeta Shri.